Many people believe that once the leaves fall, the orchard season is over. That assumption is one of the biggest mistakes growers make. While the trees appear inactive, the foundation for next year's harvest is being set right now. Winter is unforgiving to neglect, but it rewards those who prepare properly. Healthy trees, fewer diseases, and stronger spring growth all depend on what you do before the cold fully arrives. There are no unnecessary tasks in an orchard before winter. Every action has a purpose, and the goal is simple. Trees must enter winter strong, nourished, and protected. The first step is thorough cleanup. Diseased leaves, dried branches, and rotten or mummified fruit should be removed. These leftovers shelter pests and diseases through winter and cause even bigger problems in spring. Healthy plant material can go into compost, but anything infected should be taken out of the orchard. Next comes light soil cultivation beneath the trees. Shallow hoeing improves airflow, breaks surface crusts, and destroys hiding places for pests. There's no need to dig deep, especially around young trees, to avoid damaging roots. Autumn feeding is another crucial step. After a long growing season, trees need support to strengthen their roots. Compost, well-rotted manure, or organic pellets are ideal, not to stimulate growth now, but to slowly release nutrients over winter and early spring. Mulching follows naturally. Straw, hay, leaves, or sawdust create a protective layer that preserves moisture, reduces soil freezing, and prevents nutrient loss. Mulch stabilizes soil temperature and supports beneficial soil life throughout winter. Winter spraying is often overlooked, yet it is one of the most effective orchard practices. It reduces overwintering pests and diseases hiding in bark and buds. A single well-timed winter spray can replace several treatments later in the season. Tree whitening should not be skipped either. It protects bark from temperature swings, reduces cracking, and discourages pests. A simple lime-based mixture can make a big difference. Before winter fully sets in, inspect the trees carefully. Treat wounds, cracks, or damaged bark with tree wax or clay to prevent infections. Young trees need extra protection from rodents and wildlife, as bark becomes an easy food source when other options disappear. If autumn has been dry, watering before winter can help, since moist soil freezes more slowly and protects roots. Pruning is done during dormancy, after leaf fall, but only in dry, mild weather. Avoid frost, rain, or fog, as clean cuts heal better under stable conditions. Late winter or very early spring, before buds open, is often ideal. Finally, winter is the perfect time to plant. Observe which trees performed well, where water collects, and which areas need improvement. The orchard doesn't demand much before winter, but it does require attention. What you do now will be returned many times over in spring. A well-prepared tree enters winter calmly and wakes up strong, and that is the key to a good harvest.